Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up simple voice chat on Aternos. We will go through the process step by step, ensuring you can easily add this fantastic feature to your server. Voice chat enhances teamwork and makes playing with friends much more immersive. By the end, you will have a fully functional voice communication system, making your Aternos server even more engaging for everyone involved. First, you need to select a suitable voice chat mod. The simple voice chat mod is a popular and effective choice, compatible with many Minecraft versions. Ensure you download the correct version of the mod file that matches your server's Minecraft version. Once downloaded, navigate to your Aternos panel, find the Files section, and upload the mod directly into your server's mods folder. This prepares your server for the voice functionality. After uploading the mod, it is crucial to restart your Aternos server. This allows the server to load the new mod and integrate its features. Keep an eye on your server console during startup to confirm that the voice chat mod initializes without errors. Some mods might have configuration files that allow you to fine-tune settings like voice distance or volume. Access these through the Aternos Files section and make any desired adjustments. Finally, for players to use the voice chat, they must also install the exact same voice chat mod on their own Minecraft client. This client-side installation is essential for the mod to function properly. Once installed, players can connect to your Aternos server just as they normally would. The mod typically provides default keybinds for push-to-talk or toggling voice, allowing seamless communication within your game world. Enjoy your new voice-enabled server.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.